Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And in this video I'm going to share to you guys how to extract zip files using Python and using the tkinter GUI module. So we're going to do a graphical user interface in this video. So if you don't know how to create graphical user interfaces, please don't worry, I'm going to explain everything step by step on how I'm going to go about doing everything in this video. And please show some support by liking, sharing and subscribing. And please stick around and let's get started. So here we're going to make some imports, and I'm going to do from tkinter. I'm going to import file dialog, and that is just going to give us a window where we can choose our files there. So, and here I'm going to do from tkinter. I'm going to import asterisk, so that we're going to import everything from tkinter, and which is just the GUI module. And I'm going to do from zip file, import zip file. So from zip file, I'm going to import zip file, and this is not like that, but this is like this. So I want to import zip file. So I'm going to create a window, which is going to be root.tk, which is just going to get a GUI window for us. And at the end, we also have to add a root.main loop, which is going to go ahead and, refresh the page every time. And you just have to add that there for it to work. And here I'm going to define a function, and I'm going to say define extract. So extract is going to be the function which is as well going to open up the file dialog where we can browse through our files and choose the zip file we want to extract, and that says going to extract the file for us, and that's what just this function is going to do. So here I'm going to create a folder, a variable folder, and folder is going to be equal to file dialog dot ask open file name, and this is going to open up that dialog box for us to choose the file. And here I'm going to do with zip file, and here I'm going to pass in folder, and here I'm going to put R. So R means read only. So when you are dealing with files in Python, you can do like W, or I think RW for read and write, or WR. So R just means read only. So that means that we only have the function or the option just to read the file. So here I'm going to do as zip. So I want to give the file zip. So I want to open it as. So here I'm just going to do zip.extract all. And here that means going to go ahead and extract everything from the file. And I'm just going to add something which I'm going to do print extracting, which is going to tell us as the programmers in the console that it's actually extracting. And here I'm going to do at the end, I just want to do print done, which is going to tell us it is done. So the user is not going to see all this, but we are going to see it in the console. So I think after that, what I might just do is I'm going to create a button. That's a button. So I'm going to do extract button. It's going to be equal to button. And here I'm going to give it a text. And I'm going to do extract. And yes, I'm going to give it a width of, let's say 12. And here I'm going to give it a background color, which is just going to be light green. I believe so. Let's give it a background color of light green. And here I'm just going to give it a command. So that means that whenever we tap the button, we want it to do something. And we want command should be equal to extract. So that's going to run that function for us. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. So this is just gonna, whenever we run the function, it's gonna go ahead, and whenever we tap the button, it's gonna call this function. So that was what we just did there. And after that, I think we are not supposed to close that there. So yeah. So after that, I'm just gonna put this on the screen. So we just created it, but it's not yet on the screen there. So to put it on the screen, I'm just gonna do dot pack, and side should just be equal to bottom. So we want it to be at the bottom. And just to show to the people that don't know tkinter, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a label which is going to be like title, and just know that this video or this program is not going to have a lot of designs in GUI or that stuff. So you just want it to very basic, and since we're not adding a lot of things, so it won't be that good, but just try to understand like we can actually implement this in GUI. So you're going to do text. So let's say zip file extractor, or let me just make this all in capital letters. So zip file extractor. So let's name it like that. And here I'm going to do title dot pack, and here I just want to put it on the screen. So anchor is going to be equal to center. So I want it to be at the center. Let's just give it a background color or a foreground color. So FG. So we're going to give it a color, and that should just be blue. Let's give it a size. So font is going to be equal to a list. I'm going to put this there, and let's give it a font size of 40. Let's go there, and let's run, and let's see how it's actually going to look like. So this is how it looks like. I know it's not very good, but what can we do? So we're going to tap extract there. You can choose any folder. So I'm just here and go to my Python, this folder we are in. I'm going to choose this zip file. I'm going to tap open. Let's go there. You can see in the console it says extracting, and soon you will see, okay, so here it has created a folder for us, the tic-tac-toe tkinter. So this was a zip file here, but it has extracted it and give it back to us as a normal folder. So here you can see done. So that means that it's done. Let's go to our tic-tac-toe. Let's just choose the tic-tac-toe version 1.3 pi. So I wrote this program like about a year ago. So as you can see, this is just a basic tic-tac-toe app using tkinter. So I covered how to extract zip files with Python. So you can actually just implement this into a very big project and add a lot of. You can just deal with the designs here and just make it look better. And I think that this should be it for this video, guys. So if you have any feedback, any suggestion, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer those. And please like, share, and without further ado, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.